I pre-prepared Jenna's hair by blast drying in magical potion and salt spray to achieve texture and hold. I then curled random sections of hair using the waving wand to achieve the perfect base. Step 1. Tilt the head back and spritz with dry shampoo to exaggerate the texture of the hair. Step 2. Using your hands, place the hair into a high ponytail, using your fingers to release any hairs around the hairline. Step 3. Brush the hair up into a high ponytail and secure with elastic, keeping the head in the upright position to ensure the correct tension. Step 4. Once the ponytail is secure, use the original wand on medium setting to add more texture and volume to the top of your ponytail. Step 5. Fluff and spritz the hairspray with dry shampoo for more texture. Step 6. Cover the elastic with your favourite coloured ribbon to embellish your ponytail. Step 7. Using the micro iron, pinch the hairs to achieve more volume and texture. Step 8. Use the micro iron along the hairline to achieve more volume on the front pieces of hair. Step 9. Brush through the hair to achieve a fluffier texture and spritz with hairspray for hold.